Hello everyone, today we make American apple pie with all tracks and a special sauce, exactly homemade with unique flavor. The pie, the sauce, the dough, everything from A to Z in this video, so please stay tuned. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, pastry champion of Africa 2011, corporate pastry chef for many cruise line. All my experience in this channel. 7 medium Granny Smith. We take the skin, we take the core, and we slice it. So easy. You can mix if you want red apple with green apple, but I love Granny Smith. You slice it all. $6 cinnamon, 2 cardamom, but this cardamom from me, it's not original in America. But I love the flavor of cardamom with cinnamon. Here's the sauce. So easy but very tasty. 115 butter, 200 sugar, 70 ml water, and butter, 45 of flour. As you hear, flour, yes, all-purpose flour. We melt the butter, then we add the flour, we make it like bechamel, then we added the sugar, finally with water. And we keep boiling for 3-4 minutes to transparent, and you can see the sauce is thick and the smell is so good. After 3 minutes of boiling, we remove from the heat. We keep it 2-3 minutes. Then we pour on top of the sliced apple. Mix it well. Make sure that they absorb all the sauce. I did apple chaufan tart with the Swedish pie, or they call it simul pie. Now 350 flour, 3 of salt, 225 butter, and later on 15 sugar, and later on 50 ml of cold ice water. This is the pie dough American recipe. You can feel the dough. You mix all ingredients to combine butter, salt, flour. And you can see it's 15 sugar for this recipe. This recipe completely different than sablé. It's less sugar, it's nice dough, and you can use it for all kind of pie. You can see when the dough combined together, I added 50 ml of ice water. I don't mix it too much, I just absorb water to the dough, and then I cover to the fridge at least for 1 hour. You can see I just make sure the dough absorbs the cold ice water. Now it's nice, just cover 1 hour in the fridge. Here we go, after 1 hour, becomes really easy to roll. We roll it round for our mold. or our tart mold. As you see, I must make sure the dough is comfortable in the mold. I don't cut right away, I keep it to rest so it not shrink. I use scissor to cut 3-4 milli higher than the mold. So in case of the shrink, it will be exactly same size of the mold. With your finger, you make sure that the dough is nice. I keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Then I pour the mixture inside. With the fork, you make some holes in the bottom so it allow to the steam of the when it's baking to go out. Here I make the rest of the dough. You can cover it as a flat, like we did the bottom, or I prefer to make some stripes. We roll the dough until it becomes 2 millimeter high. Then you can see how I do it. Spread the dough. I cut slices, all equal size. And then the tall one in the middle. And as you see, I make some stripes. So from the middle, I leave one, I spread one. It's like dominoes. Then I make opposite the stripe. So easy to make, but give nice looking to your pie. Now all the dough with fingertip, I make nice edges. So it helps to make the edge of the dough is very strong and you can cut it easily. With fingertips you push the American famous way. I bake 180 Celsius for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes you can see your pie is absolutely fantastic. Smell aroma all over the kitchen. Thanks for being my channel. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmed Younes.